I'm Tara Davis with Chesapeake Bay Magazine, back with John Johnson, Creative Spaces Remodeling. John, where are we now?
We are at Compass Studio Tile and Flooring today here in Annapolis. And we are now in the tile department, so we can look at all the different options available today. So I want to introduce you to Catherine. And Catherine, this is Tara. Tara, this is Catherine.
Very nice to meet you.
Great, nice to meet you. Let's talk tile.
Okay, sounds good to me.
Hi, I'm John Johnson, owner of Creative Spaces Remodeling. We provide design-build services for large-scale, luxury remodeling projects and ground-up custom homes.
So here I've laid out a couple of options for you as far as different size formats are concerned. You have wood plank porcelain, you have natural stone. This is a 12 by 24 format. You also have natural stone in 24 by 24 format, but we also offer different types of porcelain. So this is a 12 by 24 format. This can go up to as large as a 24 by 48, which can be used on walls, it can be used on the floors. We also offer different types of mosaics. These happen to be natural stone mosaics. These things you would consider for potentially like a shower floor. Natural stone does need to be sealed and cared for over a period of time.
Going back to some of these larger tiles, is this good for a large room, small room, any room? Where do you normally use, say, this big tile right here? 24 by
So yeah, in a large space, you'd probably want to use a larger format tile that will allow for lesser grout joints. You can, as I said, go up to 18 by 18. You can do a larger format of a 24 by 48 on the floor. Obviously, there are specific restrictions that are required for installing something of that nature. But any of these sizes can go on a floor. The most popular size is the 12 by 24.
So they're really great for anything. So we could put this on the floor, we can put it on the wall, yes. We can use it in the kitchen, we can use it in the bathroom.
Yes.
We could use it in the entryway.
Yes.
We could, wherever we can imagine using it, we can put it
yes.
there. Now tell us a little bit about the design process. How do you walk people through how to design? Let's just talk about a shower wall. How are we designing a shower wall?
So there are typically 3 elements to the bathroom. Once you've determined your counters and once you've determined your cabinetry, but you would be looking at your bathroom floor, you'd be looking at your bathroom, your shower or tub walls, and you'd be considering your shower floor. Depending on the size of the bathroom, you could use pretty much any size format. If it's a large master bathroom, you're probably going to want to go with a larger format. If it's a smaller bathroom, you may want to consider a mosaic or a smaller format tile, maybe a 6 by 6 or a 12 by 12.
John, thank you. This has been so great and very educational. I've learned so much about tile. I've learned so much about flooring. But what I like the most is that your designers are going to work with these experts to help simplify the process for your clients.
Exactly.
And I think that's it right there.
It really is. Because this can be overwhelming for folks. And we're going to take the complex and we're going to simplify it for them. Choose things in the right order, the critical order, and make it a fun experience, you know? And that's what we love doing because, you know, what we want to do is have folks give us a ring when they want to take an ordinary home and turn it into something absolutely extraordinary.
I love it.
Awesome.
All right, we'll see you next time.
Thanks so much. Thank you for joining us. I hope you found it inspiring. Contact us now so we can help you turn your ordinary home into an extraordinary home. I'm John Johnson.